K-Array presents a dedicated software suite for designers, installers, live engineers and end users to support every phase of the project. K-Framework 3 enables 3D acoustic simulations, determining the type and number of speakers needed and pairing them with the amplifiers. The software generates precise SPL mappings and frequency response analysis, along with reverberation times and STI indices. K-Framework also supports the implementation of electronic beam steering technology with compatible products. During installation, K-Framework connect your computers to the amplifiers. Through the network page, connected devices can be easily identified and linked to the project configured products. Specific presets are loaded automatically, ensuring optimal acoustic performance. Once installation is complete, speaker response can be fine-tuned using dedicated tuning tools. K-Framework is your perfect mate for live events, while the integrated web app built into the devices provides additional functions dedicated to integrators specifically designed to meet installation needs. In addition to essential setup and tuning functions, preset loading, routing, equalization, etc., it manages multi-room services, the built-in player and the scheduler, automatic routines, through a web interface accessible from any browser or device. The K-Connect app easily helps you discover K-Array devices within the network. K-Control is a smartphone or tablet application that enables intuitive management and control of the installation through its custom-built, user-friendly interface. All K-Array devices integrate seamlessly also with third-party control systems, connecting via HTTP REST APIs or OSC commands. For leading control systems, Crestron, Crestron Home, Control 4, QSys and others, dedicated plugins are available. K-Cloud is a service that provides remote access to devices, parameter adjustments, system monitoring, as well as real-time control and operations when needed. K-Monitor is the ideal tool for those providing product support, especially for diagnostics and troubleshooting operations. This advanced application performs troubleshooting through self-diagnosis of both software services and hardware components, while also facilitating operating system and firmware updates. The K-Array software suite is an ecosystem of applications designed to support every phase of the project. The ultimate goal is to ensure effective management and outstanding sound performance. Visit the K-Academy page dedicated to tutorials and resources to discover how the K-Array suite can elevate your audio installations. karray.com